Hey guys, Food by Faith here. If you are new here, guys, I am Food by Faith Garden to Table. I am your Zone 8A Georgia gardener, and I love to show you how to go from the garden to the table. So today, guys, the reason why we are here is for a mail call. I am super excited. So you guys have heard me talk about Bagel Garden before. Well, I decided to order a few things from them. So last week, I got these in the mail. So this is a Kitchen Minis Red Velvet Tomato. If you can see that there. And then this one, this is your Kitchen Minis Hot Tamale Pepper. And they came in pretty good condition. And then another item that I ordered came in today. And this is how they come when you order the seedlings. So today we got this is our Kitchen Minis Fresh Bites Orange Pepper. So this one is a sweet pepper. So you guys know that I really enjoy gardening outside, but I also tend to garden inside. So I have 2 arrow gardens, 1 lead pot system, and I usually have them running all the time. So right now I have my 2 arrow gardens. I was dehydrating some oranges, but I have my 2 arrow gardens outside. I'm going to put some flowers as well as some lettuce in those. And guys, here's another plant. When I ordered the other plants from Bagel Garden, I also ordered this cucumber, and this is called a patio snacker cucumber. But this one I'm actually growing outside, if you can see, and it's really healthy. But the other 3 plants I'm going to grow inside the house. And what I'm going to grow them inside of is called the self-watering mini planter pot with trellis. So this is my first time purchasing any equipment like this from Bagel Garden. So we are going to be seeing this for the first time together, and we are going to be putting this together. So it comes with this. This is the assembly guide and contact information for them. It says start your planting journey. Nice little pot inside this package. It has the parts, your water gauge, your curved pole, straight connector, flat connector. The pot system is 2 parts. So I do have some indoor soil out here, and what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to pre-moisten that soil, because we know that indoor soil, sometimes if you try to water it, put your plants in and then water, sometimes it just doesn't work out. So I'm going to pre-moisten before I put the plants in. And I only have 2 of these, but I'm going to put the other plant inside something else. So pretty good packaging. Here's our second one. It's identical. So in here looks like our water gauge. This is our water gauge. Pretty sure it just goes down. Pretty sure it just goes down in like that. I'm gonna place you down. You'll be able to hear me, but not see me so much. So if we take a look at our directions, so these are the pieces for our water gauge. And like I said, we're gonna put them together and drop them down in there. Sorry about the dogs. These are our connectors. Let's see what else we have here. These look like poles. And let's see, those are the 4 straight poles. We should have 2 flat connectors and 2 straight connectors, which we do. And then we'll have 4 curved poles. And how this works is we are going to sit 2 of our, actually we're not going to do that. We're going to follow directions. And what the directions wants us to do is actually connect these together. So it wants us to take one here, one here, here, here. And guys, this is nice and sturdy. They're actually metal. And then we're going to take the last 2, and it's going to be this way and this way. So similar to the first one. So this one and this one. Then we're going to take this one and we're going to put 2 of the metal poles inside. We're going to take this one and we're going to place it on top. Again, guys, I'm already liking the quality of these because this is metal, wherein you guys know that I have one in the garden right now. I have 3 in the garden right now that came from another store, and these rods are plastic, and every chance they get, they fall apart. So there is our trellis system, and it goes on just like that. But what I want to do is I want to put my plants inside before I add my trellis system. So I'm going to get the other one together. We're going to get our soil inside, and then I'll bring you back. So family, we are back. We have our first one inside, and this is our Kitchen Minis hot tamale pepper. All right, we're going to put our label there. And we have our Kitchen Minis Determinate Red Velvet Tomato. So here I have 4 cups of water. There is, if you can see here, A little valve on the side. I want to get that dirt off of there because of course we're taking this in the house. And we are going to fill that up. And remember, we have our water lever on here, so it'll tell us when this is full. Oh guys, look, I was about to say it wasn't even moving, so we know. So right now I've already put 4 cups of water in here, and this is where our lever is. So that lets me know that I can take a vacation and place water in these 2 Vego garden beds and they will be just fine. Guys, I'm loving this. I am absolutely loving this. Again, the plants I got from the Vego garden website, as well as the planters, we are going to, I'm gonna bring you down again, and we're gonna put a trellis system on, and it snaps right into just like that, right into the 2 holes on the side. We're gonna snap our second one in. I'm gonna fill them up with water to the max. We're gonna take them in the house, and that's that, guys. Isn't this absolutely amazing? And of course, we still have this one. This is a sweet pepper, so I'm gonna place this one someplace else. But guys, I think I should have ordered 4 of these systems instead of just 2. I wanted to get you out of the sun, but just take a look at them. They are absolutely amazing. And this again is the Vego Garden self-watering mini planter pot with trellis. I am really excited about this system. And if you watched my earlier video, I am talking about revamping my garden and switching to some different beds. I'm thinking about going with the Vego system. So having these has been kind of a great trial. And again, this is something that I just kept checking the website, kept looking at things, and decided that it may be a good fit for a new item that I wanted to try. So guys, again, come along with me. This is day 1 of having these plants, and we are going to take this journey together. But as always, get up, get out, and grow something, and have faith in our food. And I'll see you the next time. Keep growing.